Hi everyone, welcome to Veronica Hug. Today I have a new project. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to show you how you can do a Scoodie, which is a scarf with a hoodie. And yeah, I'm going to use the hatnut wool for that. You see this yellow that we're going to use today. This is 50% virgin wool and 50% acrylic. It's 150 grams and 65 meters in length. And I'll use my 12mm crocheting needles, so pretty big this time. And yeah, we can get started already. So first we're gonna start with 14 stitches. And 14. And now in the front row, I'm always going to transfer the first stitch onto my working needle. Then I'm going to do a knit stitch, and the next one I'm going to transfer with the yarn over. Then another knit stitch, and again transfer with the yarn over. And keep repeating that. There we go. The edge stitch, always knit stitch. Then we're going to turn, and then we're going to transfer this first stitch onto our working needle. Then with the stitch with the yarn over, we're going to do knitwise together. And then the one in between, we just transfer. And we keep repeating that. So together with the yarn over knitwise and transfer with the yarn over. Now we're going to turn. And we're again doing the same thing. So this is going to be the right side of the scarf section of the Scoodie. So as I said, Scoodie is basically a word that mixes scarf and hoodie into one, just in case you were wondering. Okay, so this was basically the pattern, and I think this is pretty clear right now. So you just continue this way until you get your desired length, and then I'm going to show you how to continue. So I have 60 centimeters from the start in length, and this is what I want. So I let the scarf hang when I measured it instead of lie, because it is a little bit looser, so you do get a little bit of length in there when it's hanging. So yeah, now we're gonna start on the left edge, which is this one here. So that's where the additions come. So I'm going to do the pattern again, one more row just to get to the left side. And now I'm at the end of the row. So now here, out of this last stitch, we're going to do another knit stitch, and then we're going to finish the last one. In the next row, I'm going to do this one stitch purlwise, and then I'm going to continue with my pattern just like so far. So now we're going to do additions 4 times on the left side, always one stitch at a time, and that's going to build our hoodie. So this stitch I'm doing knitwise now, and then in the next row it's just going to become a part of the purl, or the pattern stitch, sorry, the pattern. So now here I'm doing a knit stitch again this way. And now the next, or the added stitch, I'm doing purlwise here. And then we're starting with the pattern, so we're kind of incorporating it into it. And then we're going again to the end of the row. So this one we're incorporating into the pattern. We're doing it knitwise, and then out of here we start a new stitch, knit stitch. There we go. So when we go back, then we always do it purlwise, and then we continue with the pattern. So for now we have 3 stitches added, we need 1 more. Yeah, again, just a little preview of the scarf that we have done so far. And again, we're adding 1 more stitch out of this last one. Now here, we're going back again in the pattern. And let me show you. So here is where we added the new stitches and where our hoodie is gonna go. And now what we want to do from this point on, we need 50 centimeters in length. And then we're going around the head kind of. And these 4 stitches we're going to reduce then, and then we're going to do 60 more centimeters of the scarf to have it look symmetrical. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. And I hope you see how easy it is, and it's really going to yield an awesome result in the end. Okay, you guys, so I finished what we just talked about, and now what I want to do is show you what I have. So the reductions are here exactly where the additions were. I folded this in half so it's kind of symmetrical here, and you see how nicely this is aligning right here. So the additions and the reductions. And now after that, I did the 60 centimeters of length to have the other half of the scarf section. So now what we want to do is connect this to make it look like a hoodie. So we're just going in here through both ends of the stitches, so on both sides. And then I'm going to go from here all the way to the top, and I'm just going to connect with a little bit of yarn. Okay, so now we have something different going on. So I don't want to have anything weird going on here on the top. So here I'm going to do a little knot. After that, I'm going to continue connecting the 2 sides. And then when I get to the end, I'm just going to pull on the thread like this, so that the needle kind of goes to the bottom. And then I'm going to do another knot there. And then I'm going to push the thread to the inside to hide it, so that when you wear it, it's not visible in any way or sticking out or doing anything weird. And now we're pretty much done. So we just need to connect the scarf to get like a loop scarf shape. So these 2 sides on the end, I want to connect together with this little bit of yarn that I have left over. It should be enough. So we're again doing through the very end half of the stitch on the one side and the other half of the other side. And then our Scoodie is done, so you can twist it around your head, and that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.